Okay, that was just 1 pound of butter. I have 1 cup of powdered sugar right in there. And I'm just gonna take my electric mixer and cream this together. Oh, that looks really good.
Wow, so creamy.
You have to turn the beaters up fast to get the excess off.
Oh, I see.
Okay, we have some walnut pieces.
Ooh.
Super yummy. We're putting 1.5 cups of walnut pieces in here. So that's gonna be about half of a 12-ounce bag. And next, I had to add this. It's red and green Christmas M&Ms.
Oh, wow.
This is 1.5 cups as well. You don't have to add these. This is totally optional. And then we have some pure vanilla extract. And I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of that. And I'm measuring with my heart on that one because I love vanilla. So you can never have too much vanilla. I'm gonna take back my little spatula and just incorporate these ingredients nicely into our mixture. We are making a really delicious holiday treat today. Everybody is going to love these, and they are perfect for holiday gift giving as well. So just make sure you fold this in just like this. Look at how nice and thick that's getting. Oh my gosh.
Looks so Christmassy with the walnuts and the M&M colors.
I know, it's perfect for Christmas and for the holidays, and it smells amazing. All right, that is looking nicely incorporated.
Where do you get the Christmas M&Ms?
You can get them at Target, Smith's, Walmart, anywhere really. Just make sure you don't wait right before Christmas or they'll be sold out.
Good point.
That looks really good. Oh, this looks so yummy already, you guys. Okay, now this is important. We have to add flour. So this is 4 cups of flour right here.
It's a lot of flour.
I know, we're gonna add all of that flour right in here. This recipe is gonna make a lot of what we're making. So that's why we need so much flour for this. Oh man, I learned this recipe from my mother-in-law, and she makes the best cookies. We're making snowball cookies today, but I thought I would add a little twist of mine and add some of those holiday M&Ms in there. What would you guys add in here? You can even add chocolate chips, so anything like that. You can add whatever your favorite little snacks are. Or you can just go with the walnuts. I believe that's the traditional way to do it. Okay, so we're gonna just take some of this. Wow, look at that. And you just wanna roll it into a ball. Or what you can do is you can use a cookie scoop. So you can take a little scoop like this, and then you want it to be, you don't want to make it too big. So you want it to be about the size of a walnut. Roll it into a little ball just like this, and then you have your perfect little snowball cookie. It's gonna have the cutest shape, you guys. Can't wait to show you how these turn out. I need to bring in my sheet pan here so I can just take my little snowball and put it right there on my sheet pan. And we're just gonna roll a whole bunch more little balls. Like I said, this recipe makes a lot of cookies. All right, don't these look so cute? Oh my gosh. And don't you guys worry, we are definitely going to make about 2 to 3 more trays of these. So we are just gonna pop these in the oven at 360 for 10 to 12 minutes. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at how cute these look. I've let them cool down so they're nice and cool to the touch, But let me just let you see that nice brown bottom from that butter and just how this looks. It's nice and heavy, but we are not done yet because these need to look like snowballs. They're not looking white enough, so we have some powdered sugar here. And I'm just gonna take a trusty old Ziploc bag and I'm just gonna put a bunch of powdered sugar right in here. Ooh, that's a lot. That might be too much. We can always put that back in. Okay. All right. And what we are gonna do is just take some of these, just toss them right in there. You wanna do about 4 or 5 at a time. Okay. And then you're just gonna close your bag up. This is a really old trick. Everyone knows this, and just shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it up. And you just wanna make sure these are completely covered. Look at that, you can't even see them in there anymore. And look at what I have. I have my Santa tongs.
Whoa.
I know, right? And I'm just gonna take the snowballs out.
Wow.
Look at how that's beautifully coated.
Ooh.
And look at this. I have
Wow.
a snowman plate that I am just gonna place my little snowball right onto. Isn't that adorable?
Santa's gonna come early this year.
Santa is coming to town.
This is the best snack for a Christmas party.
I know, isn't it like the best ever though? Like this is just blowing my mind. They look like little snowballs. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so excited to try one of these. They are so cute. Ooh. Look at that. Our little Frosty the Snowman is complete. Ooh, I want to just get one of these really powdery ones. I'm going to bite into this and show you guys that inside with those M&Ms and those walnuts. It's going to be so fun.
Yes.
Look at that. Come look at, get a look in there. You see that?
Oh, wow. The M&Ms and there's a walnut in there. Wow.
And taste the M&M, that walnut. That is so good. You need to try this.